Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to make letter and number sequences in Excel. If you want to create a sequence of numbers, like the rows on the left, you can do that by using a simple formula. First, select the A column header. Then click the formula bar and type equals, sequence, open parentheses. Rows, open parentheses. Then A:(A). Now close both parentheses and hit enter. Perfect. We now have a sequence of numbers in column A. To make the numbers run across the rows, instead of down the columns, type 1 into cell A1. Then, in B2, type equals, sum. Open parentheses. Then type A1 plus 1. Now close the parentheses and hit enter. We can now drag the formula across the rows. If you want to make the sequence run backwards, we can use an offset function. To do that, click into cell A1, and type equals, offset, and open parentheses. Inside, type A1, 0, 1. Then close parentheses. Finally, type +1 and hit enter. We can now drag the formula across the rows to create a reverse number sequence. Creating a letter sequence like the column headers requires a slightly more complex formula. You can find it in the video description. Copy it, then return to Excel and select the column A header. Now paste the formula into the formula bar, and hit enter. That's it. We now have a sequence of letters, just like the one in the column headers. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and you'll be helping us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.